Okay, I'm calling this very impromptu and short video I Should Know Better. And basically, it is because I applied several coats of lacquer. In fact, I started by using an epoxy resin coating and then finished with an acrylic lacquer. But I did so before removing every single scratch. And it doesn't matter how many coats you put on. And I'm denibbing this now to put on another coat of the spray lacquer. It doesn't matter how many coats you put on, you just won't get rid of those scratches. So I should have known better that preparation is everything. And then the other reason for doing this short video is to check. I think it's been almost a month now since I encapsulated this wet slice of wood, and it's absolutely intact. There are no cracks and there's no further staining. So let's put on another coat, shake, rock and roll, and then put on a thin coat. The great thing about this acrylic lacquer is that leave it for 10 minutes and you can put another coat on. There we are, job done. Thanks for watching.